An object of mass 2m moving at velocity 3v collides with a stationary object of mass 4m. The objects stick together after the collision. What is the final speed and the change in total kinetic energy immediately after the collision? From the conservation of momentum, we can write 2m times 3v plus 0, since this one with mass 4 is not moving, and this is the initial momentum, and for the final momentum the objects will stick together. That's why 2m plus 4m will stick together. The velocity will be vf. Now 6mv on the left hand side and right hand side is 6mvf. So vf is equals v. So the speed is v. Okay. Now what is the change in kinetic energy? So initial kinetic energy is half 2m times 3v squared, which is 2 will be cancelled out, so 9m v squared, and the final kinetic energy will be half m, which is 6m, and v squared, vf, which is v, so it is v squared 3m v squared. So the change in kinetic energy is 6m v squared. This is the change. So the answer is B.